YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, friends, I will show you beautiful crop decor ideas and art ideas. So I hope you're enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, first area is friends. Friends, instead of throwing away our crops, you can turn them into something practical and decorative. This project is a perfect example of how simple materials can become a stylish home decor. Take a look at this unique design. Often crocks are carefully arranged and glued together to create a stylish napkin holder, and the natural color and texture of the crock give it a warm farmhouse inspired look. The triangle shape keep the paper napkin standing neatly in place. It is a simple design, but it looks elegant on kitchen counter and dining tables. And dear friends, one of the best things about this project is that it's made from recycled material. Recycle is not only good for the environment, but it is also give our items a brand new purpose. Every crock become part of a beautiful handmade creation. And the weavers So friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more videos, updates, viewers. So friends, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and good afternoon, viewers.